Are you tired of trying to clean up cat litter off of your old cat mat? Cat litter can get stuck in the cat mat and it's a real pain to clean up. I got this cat mat sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. If you're as tired of cleaning the cat litter off your old cat mat as I am, check this thing out. This is pretty nice. It's got a honeycomb pattern there for all the cat litter to fall into. It's got 2 layers here. You can open this up here and then dump all your cat litter out. Plus it's waterproof, so you can just take this thing outside and spray it off, or you can put it in your bathtub and spray it off. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. All right, let me go ahead and show you how this thing works. The first thing it says to do on here is to take the mat out of the box and put a heavy box on top of it to flatten it out. This is a heavy box of cat litter here, so this should be heavy enough to flatten it out. It says here to put some weight on the folds to flatten the mat out. It says it should take a couple days, but we have our air conditioner cranked up and it's kind of cold in here, so it's taken a little bit longer than that. I've had this on here for about a week now, and it seems like it's going to be flat enough for what we're going to do here. All right, let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. All right, so here's the mat here. There's the bottom, and then the top has all these holes in it, so when the cat walks across it, the cat litter from his paws and the cat litter that he kicks out of the box will fall down into these holes, and then this opens up here, and then you can just dump it out into the cat box. So we're going to go ahead and set it up there. Still seems kind of wrinkly here. Maybe I'll put it outside because it's kind of hot out there. Maybe I'll put it outside and the warm temperature will help flatten it up. So I'll go ahead and try that. We keep our air conditioner at 78 degrees, so it might just be a little bit too cold in here to get that mat to flatten out. So I'm going to put it out here on the back patio. I just put the mat down here on the back patio with that heavy box over it. Our cat's going to keep an eye on it. He can't wait to try it out. All right, let's see how it did. I left it sitting out here over the weekend. There's still a little bit of a wrinkle in it. They say you can take a hair dryer in the last step and you can blow the hair dryer on here if you want to get it really flat. But I think this is going to be flat enough. I just wanted to see if I could flatten it out anymore. So I think for now we'll just go ahead and go with this. If it bothers me, I'll go ahead and put the hair dryer on there and see if I can flatten it a little bit more. But yeah, I think this is going to be pretty nice. I like the way this looks. I like the way it feels. Kind of a neat idea that the cat litter will fall in there. We use the big cat litter, the crystal cat litter, so it's nice that it's got these bigger holes here. All right, let's go take it upstairs and test it out. I got the cat mat out here in front of the door to the cat box. All right, so I'll go ahead and take a measurement here. All right, so it looks like it's about 15 inches by 24 inches. So this is 15 by 24 here. And then it's got the honeycomb on the top, so the cat litter will fall down in here. And then it's got a waterproof and a urine-proof mat in here where everything will fall into. The nice thing about it is you can dump the cat litter out, and then if you get any messes on here, you can just take this outside and hose it off. All right, so let's test it out. All right, so we'll use some regular cat litter on here. And then we use this scoop free with the crystals, and they're a little bit bigger. So we'll test out the crystals and see how they fall in the honeycomb. All right, I'll dump a little regular cat litter on here first. All right, yeah, it looks like it's falling through there. All right, yeah, that looks like that did pretty good. All the little cat litters fell in between the honeycombs here, so that worked out. All right, let's try the crystals. Like I said, they're a little bigger, and we'll see how they do. Yeah, looks like they went in there too. Yeah, that looks like those honeycombs work pretty good. Whether you use the little tidy cat litter or whether you use the big crystals, they all seem to fall in there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see how easy it is to dump this thing. I got I got my dustpan here, and we'll see if we can just open this up here and dump it into the dustpan and then put it back in the cat box. So I think the easiest way to empty this is you put your fingers right here, and then you can kind of push it up like that, and then you got a nice cone there, and then you can dump this in your cat box. And you can see there's a little bit trapped in the bottom there. You can just shake that out over here over the cat box. And then we got all that out there. So yeah, it looks like there's a tiny little bit of cat litter trapped up on the top, but that was kind of an extreme case where I poured a bunch on there. I don't think our cat will be getting this much in there. But the nice thing about this mat is you could just take it outside and hose it off, or you can just put it in your bathtub and hose it off and get it all cleaned up. But yeah, all the crystals fit in there pretty good. It looks pretty nice. I'll go ahead and put this back there and we'll let our cat use it and we'll see how it all works out. Then I can just take this cat litter that I dropped in the dustpan and then just recycle it back into the cat litter box. So that's pretty nice, pretty clean. Nice little mat, huh? You like the little cat mat? Nice little place to clean off your paws. Yeah, cat tested and cat approved.